Now we will learn about Pascal's law. This is also one of the pressure application of a liquid. Pressure applied on one point of the liquid transmit equally on all direction. By seeing the activity, you can able to understood having a rubber ball with the small holes pierced on it, filled with water, having a rubber ball filled with water and having so many holes pierced on it. If you press the rubber ball, you can able to see the water flows out from the all the holes in a equal pressure. So the pressure applied at one point is equally transmitted in all direction. This is the Pascal's law. What is Pascal's law? Pressure applied at any point of a liquid at rest is in a closed system will be distributed equally through all regions of the liquid. If you studied any law in a science, it will be useful in our day-to-day life. In what way the Pascal law is used in our day-to-day life? It is used in a automobile service. It is used in a automobile service station. The vehicles are lifted upward using the hydraulic lift, which works as per Pascal's law. By lifting the vehicle at a certain height, you can able to repair the mechanic will able to repair the parts under the vehicle. For example, the four-wheeler car. Then, an automobile brake system works according to the Pascal's law. The hydraulic press makes the cotton bundles to be pressed and occupies less space. For this, there is a small, simple experiment connecting the two syringes with different volumes in with a small rubber tube. By applying the pressure in the small volume syringe, you can able to make the piston in the big volume syringe to move. The applied pressure at one point of the syringe makes the liquid pass through the tube and makes the piston in the second syringe to move. This shows the pressure applied at one point is transmitted throughout the liquid and makes the piston in the bigger volume syringe to move. This is the simple experiment which you can do by yourself using the two syringe and test the Pascal law. Pressure applied at one point is equally transmitted to the other point. Are you able to understood what is Pascal law? You can able to do the activity using a rubber ball or the syringe by check the Pascal's law. Then next video we'll see the surface tension.